Hello, this is Group 12 and we are going to present about Samba Security. What is Samba? Samba used to access shared files, printers, and serial ports between Microsoft operating system with Linux operating system. Samba provides file transfer services for Microsoft Windows clients and can integrate with a Microsoft Windows Server domain either as a domain controller or as a domain member. Samba acts similar as file transfer protocol, but for Samba, client and server can simply communicate between them without need any authorization. What is Samba Security? In Samba, there are two major security modes, which are user level and share level. The default setting for the security service is the user level security, where the user can mount multiple shares if the server accepts the user authentication. The share level security of the Samba server is where the server only accepts a password without a username. Samba security modes. User level security is the default setting for Samba. Even if the security equals user directive is not listed in the configuration file, it is used by Samba. Domain security mode. The Samba server has a machine account and causes all authentication requests to be passed through the domain controllers. Active Directory security mode. It is possible to join the domain as a native Active Directory member, even if a security policy restricts the use of NT-compatible authentication protocols. The Samba server can join an ADS. Server security mode. Previously used when Samba was not capable of acting as a domain member server. It is highly recommended to not use this mode since there are numerous security drawbacks. With share level security, the server accepts only a password for each share, independent of the username. There have been recent reports that Microsoft Windows clients have compatibility issues with share level servers. Samba developers strongly discourage the use of share level security. A simple network setup with Samba server. This simple network setup consists of a Samba-enabled Unix machine and a pair of Windows clients, all connected via a local area network. In this network, each of the computers listed share the same workgroup. A workgroup is simply a group name type that identifies an arbitrary collection of computers and their resources on an SMB network. There can be several workgroups on a network at any time, but for our basic network example, we'll have only one, the Group 12 workgroup. How Samba Security works. How Samba Security works is that the SMB workstation requests to share a file from the Samba server. The Samba server then validates the username and password from the password server. Once the password and username are validated, there will be a successful connection to share a file to the SMB workstation. Usage of Samba and Samba Security. You don't want to pay for or can't afford a full-fledged Windows NT server, yet you still need the functionality that one provides. Or you want to provide a common area for data or user directories in order to transition from a Windows server to a Unix one, or vice versa. Or you want to be able to share printers across both Windows and Unix workstations. Or you want to be able to access NT files from a Unix server. Advantages of Samba Security. Free and open source, portable across multiple platforms, and allows for easier networking of Windows workstations to computers running other platforms. Disadvantages of Samba Security. SMB is still developing, so maintaining compatibility with Microsoft's implementation is a constant battle, and threat of legal action against commercial users of Samba from Microsoft.